Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone's good today. So we got the move. We were saying that it was coming very close. The bull flag was forming. On my last video, you can either as here. This is what we're saying on the last video. Let me just play this there.
It wouldn't surprise me. Next couple of days, it goes like this, something like that.
So that's pretty much exactly how it went. You can see the white line there. This is just where it topped out. So it didn't hit our target yet on liquidity, but I think it's just had a quick pullback because so many people went in long here. So if we can take it back, we started bull flagging when everyone was getting nervous and was saying, you know, price is going to go down. We were just like, we're bull flagging. We're on a 6 count. It's going to be normally breaking after 7, and on 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on the 10th day, it broke out and it's wicked right up. So I will remove this and then we can start working on how things are looking. So we've got the breakout here. It's just went straight through there, but it did not touch up here, and it is making a lower high here. So we really want to see this break higher here. We don't want to just see a lower high and then for it to roll over. But everything on the weekly is looking strong here, guys. We're seeing a strong movement off the lows. So on the RSI, if we get both of these lines over this 20 level, that's it confirmed. So we're looking very good for this. We're also getting a bounce off the bull market support on the RSI as well. So this has supported the whole bull run the entire time. Bitcoin's bounced off it, and again we're getting a bounce off it. So we're looking strong, and even on the 2 weekly, you can see we're just about to get a crossover here as well. So we've got a big move coming up in the 2 weekly, and it's crossing over at the same time the weekly is just about to confirm the uptrend. So looking very strong here. And if we go in the daily and look at the charts, let's see, we've got a wick up there. So let's have a look at the stations. So you can see the longs have started piling in there, and it's come back down to claim some of it off. This was completely wiped out. Now if you look on the 7 day, you can see, look at the volume of longs that have come in here. Yeah, the volume of longs that have come in here is massive, so it wouldn't surprise me. Look, in the last 7 days, it's about £1 billion short. In the last 7 days, is about 3.2 billion now long, and the majority of that is at 85 to 83. So if you saw my post, I wasn't able to make any videos over the weekend, but I did put a YouTube post. Let me guys know in the comments, does anyone get them, or does anyone... I'm pretty new to the whole YouTube what would you call it, making the YouTube videos, so let us know if you see any of them posts. It's just literally like a written post. I was just letting you guys know there's liquidity building up at 83, and you can see that here, it's still there. So looking at this, it's coming up. Let's have a look at 83. Where would that take it? Right down. It'll take it right into there. I don't think I'd like it to come back down to here just now. You know, I'd like it to come up and tap that liquidity and then come down for a retest if we're going to do something along those lines. So if we see on the 30 day, yeah, we still got a big spike there up at 89. It just, you know, it's hard for me not to see this hitting 89, 90. I still think we're going to go up here. I'm going to tap this here. Because if you look at this, this will take the majority. The total liquidity up to 97 is 2.5 billion. But on 90, 89, 90, it'll take like 1.8, 1.9. So even just that move there, it's just a spike up here. It'll take all that liquidity. And then I think there's going to be so much liquidity piling in. We're already seeing it. You know, look at that. Like, bear in mind, this is already flushed down. So in the last, if we look at the 4 hours, see it? This is already flushed down, so it's already taken a chunk of this that is going long. I'd like to see it push up, take this here, and then come down for for a full retest of the trend line, or so maybe something along here. It might do something. But we've definitely got the breakout and things are looking strong. Definitely. If we look at the liquidation heat maps, it's I think it's on the 2 weekly that'll show the most. So we've come down, we've just wicked that liquidity that built up. That was over. That was the day. See that? People going long there. This is it. Well, let me just zoom this in for you and I'll show you exactly what's happened with this map here. So as this went out, this candle came up, boom, everyone went long. See it? And now look, perfect placement, wick straight into it. It's going to find its feet. So what happens when the price has been waiting for this move so often and price just gets shot off, you think it's just going to go straight up, but because so many people go long, it jumps back straight down again. So people are just going to get their fingers burnt there. But we can see, look guys, all the shorts that was taken there, but we already had all these shorts up here and these shorts here, and now price has gone down, more shorts have opened up, so they are building that up there. That level is going to be huge because the bright yellow, you know, one line of the bright yellow, I don't know if you can see that square where the cursor is, that's one line. So if that one line of bright yellow is 233 million at the maximum, so there's so much now waiting here to be taken. But I think there's going to be a potential 8, 9, it just has to take that. I'll be generally shocked if it doesn't. Now, let's go on the daily exchange volume, 7-day moving average. This is now making lower lows. This isn't good, guys. You can see we got our peaks here, and then it's just making higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I mean, guys, we are almost back to. Let's have a look here. Let me see if I can just zoom in a little bit more. Okay, we're getting back to these levels here. We don't really want to be going below this. What are we sitting there at? 29 million. Is that the lowest one? Around about 29 million. What are we sitting there? 30 million. So we're almost completely retraced this volume. It's not good. This needs to be. We need to get this sorted soon, ideally. Because as much as bullish I'm getting here, if that volume isn't there, it just. I can never trust a rally up. Now, hopefully, this move here, volume will start coming in. Because it's a 7-day moving average, you won't see anything yet, but this is the day of the breakout, so tomorrow, the next day, if we start seeing spikes, this might form some sort of double bottom before going up. That's what I'd expect to see. But we're definitely going to have to hit that 89. There's so much there for the taking now. And then from there, let's see how it reacts on 89, because there's levels here that breakout traders will be waiting for, and if they break out past them, they're going to pile in. So we want to see it come back up. I think what's happened here, we'll see, is just its prices come up, shot up, everyone's gone long, and prices just retraced to take liquidity. And it's almost doing a retest of that trend, of that range there. See it? It's retesting that high, and it might just shoot off. And then we'll get back up here, we'll take that, and from there we'll work out where it's going. But everything on a whole, apart from the volume, is looking good here, guys. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. We're seeing the breakouts here, and if we look at the global liquidity, we're seeing the global liquidity showing us. So what have we got coming up? Might do a wee trace back down here and start moving up again. So yeah, you can see it. You can see price just come up. I want to see price tap that before it retraces. If it doesn't, it's just building up for an even bigger move up there. So things are looking good. global liquidity is on our side, price action's on our side. We're still missing the volume, but that should come with the moving average. And if we go on the weekly, we're holding all the major structure that we need to hold. And again, I always refer back to this so everyone sees the bigger picture. When everyone was calling prices going lower, we were just saying, look guys, inverse head and shoulders, breakout, retest, and now we're breaking out the trend line. So on a macro side of things, this just needs to some volume behind it and break this high, and then we're going to see Bitcoin start running up hard here. I think we're going to see, once we get some volume back in this move, we're going to start seeing some new all-time highs here, and I think this is going to be a huge leg up for Bitcoin. So strap on guys, because it's coming. If you like these videos guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Definitely if you watched the video previously and you saw us call this out up to there, that was brilliant. So give us a like, give us a comment for that, and we'll see you again same time tomorrow. Cheers guys, bye.